students of class 10. Welcome you back in my geography class. In the last video, we discussed about the multi-purpose river projects and what are the advantages and objectives of multi-purpose river projects. Now, in recent years, we have seen that the large dams and multi-purpose river projects have come under great scrutiny and opposition. There were certain movements which were led against the multi-purpose river projects. Now let us see that what are the adverse effects, the limitations, and what are the oppositions that were faced by the multi-purpose river projects. So let's get started. The adverse effects and limitations of the multi-purpose river projects are as follows. Number 1. Impact on society. Now the large river projects, they cause large-scale displacement of local communities and the destruction of their livelihood and culture. Now the most sufferers are the poor farmers who suffer as their agriculture land is taken away. This causes social gap between the rich landowners and the landless poor. Number 2, effect on soil fertility. Now the annual floods used to renew the soil with silt that acted as a natural fertilizer. Now as the flood reduce, the fertility of the soil will also get reduced and it will increase the salinity in the soil. The reservoirs that are created on the floodplains also submerge the existing vegetation and soil, which leads to decomposition over a period of time. Number 3, impact on aquatic life. Now, in the reservoir of the dam, the fish do not get sufficient nutrient materials, and also they cannot migrate beyond the dam for spawning. Thus, it had a huge impact on aquatic life. Number 4, change in cropping pattern. Now, the farmers have water availability. For that, we can see that they have shifted the cropping pattern to water intensive methods. That means now they are producing the consumer crops at a vast amount as water is available, thus leading to wastage of water. Number 5, excessive sedimentation at the bottom of the reservoir. Now we will see that as the natural flow of the river is regulated, so it will cause poor sediment flow and excessive collection of sediments at the bottom of the reservoir, which will result in the rockier stream bed and raised level of water, and thus it will create flood. Thus, the multi-purpose river projects fail to fulfill the main purpose of constructing the dams, that is to control the floods. Point number 6, territorial water dispute. Dams regulate the flow of water in a river. This causes dispute between states and countries. For example, Koyna Dam, built on Krishna River in Maharashtra, reduces the water supply in Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Interstate water disputes are also common with regard to sharing the cost and benefits of the multi-purpose projects, like between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu on sharing of Kaveri River water. Point number 7, environmental impact. A variety of flora and fauna as well as human settlements get submerged or displaced by water of the reservoir formed by a dam. Therefore, dams face many protests which are also supported by the NGOs. There are different movements which rose against multi-purpose river projects, like the Sardar Sarovar Dam project built over Narmada River in Gujarat caused large-scale displacement of local community. An NGO named Narmada Bachao Andolan came forward with many environmentalists, tribal people, farmers and social activists demanding proper rehabilitation and ecological protection. Similarly, massive displacement in Tehri Dam project on Bhagirathi drew many social movements. Rihand Valley project over Son River in Uttar Pradesh created massive displacement, due to which it is facing public agitation. Farmers were agitated up to a riot when more water of Sabarmati Basin, Gujarat, supplied to urban areas over drought areas. So these are the movements which rose against the multi-purpose river projects. It was opposed from public as well as civil society because of their multiple adverse effects. Hope all of you understood the adverse effects and limitations of multi-purpose projects. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Do comment for any suggestion or problem. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for further notification of my upcoming videos. Stay tuned to my channel for the upcoming videos. Stay at your home. Stay safe. Thank you.